Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit snap poppers with a ZYT hand press plier. So we'll start off with our die set. So you'll need to have a snap popper die for the plier, which is going to look something like this. This is your base die, that is spring loaded, and then this is going to be your top die. It's going to hold your male and female parts. We'll pop this into our pliers, so that goes onto the bottom. This screws into the top. Now snap poppers come three different parts. You have your spiky open ring, which looks like that. We'll use 2 of these per set. You will have your male part, which looks like that, and your female part, which looks like that. So we'll start off. We've taken our spiky part, that goes onto the base die of our pliers. I'll grab a female end and we're going to push that up into the top die. I will get my material, hold it in between the 2 dies and then just compress down. And that is what you should be left with. I'll take another spiky part, we'll pop that onto the base. Now we're going to take the male part here and we're going to push that one up into the top die. So use your fingers, just push that up. Again, I'll get my material, flip it over and compress down. That's what you should be left with. And then they should just snap together. Just like that.